Checking your battery percentage is a simple but essential feature on any smartphone. If you're an iPhone user, you might have noticed that Apple doesn't always display the battery percentage by default, especially on newer models with the notch. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the battery percentage on your iPhone in just a few taps. Whether you have an iPhone with Face ID or one with a home button, I'll cover all the options, so you never have to guess how much charge you have left again. The easiest way to check your battery percentage is by enabling it in the Settings app. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app, which is where you can customize all of your phone's features. Scroll down and tap on Battery, where you will find all the settings related to power usage and battery life. At the top of the screen, you will see an option labeled Battery Percentage. If it is turned off, simply tap the switch to enable it, and you will immediately see the percentage appear inside the battery icon at the top right of your screen. This feature works on most modern iPhones, including models with Face ID like the iPhone 14 and iPhone 15. If you are using an older iPhone with a home button, such as the iPhone SE or iPhone 8, enabling the battery percentage works slightly differently. Instead of appearing inside the battery icon, the percentage will be displayed next to it at the top of the screen. The good news is that this method works automatically once the setting is turned on, and you don't have to do anything extra. For those using an iPhone with a notch, you might notice that the battery percentage disappears when you disable it in Settings. However, there's an alternative way to quickly check it without making any changes. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center, and you will see the exact battery percentage displayed in the upper right corner. This trick is useful if you prefer a cleaner status bar but still want easy access to your battery level. Knowing your battery percentage can be incredibly useful, especially if you want to manage your usage throughout the day. If you are constantly running low on battery, enabling low power mode can help extend your phone's life by reducing background activity and limiting some power-hungry features. This option can also be found in the battery section of the Settings app, and once activated, it will turn your battery icon yellow, indicating that your iPhone is conserving power. And there you have it. Whether you choose to enable battery percentage in the settings, check it through Control Center, or use low power mode for extra battery life, you now have multiple ways to stay informed about your iPhone's battery level. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.